Hi there, students. To vegetate. Vegetate. I guess a noun, vegetation, and maybe an adjective, vegetative. Vegetative growth. Yeah, it's vegetative. That's the right adjective. Okay, so the basic meaning of vegetate is to grow green leaves. Not to flower, but to grow leaves. Yeah, so, but we use this word metaphorically, meaning to spend a lot of time doing absolutely nothing, lying on the sofa vegetating. He spent the whole weekend vegetating in front of the TV. Yeah, a state of physical and mental inactivity. Yeah. So yeah, sometimes I just can't be bothered to go out. It's nice to stay at home and vegetate. Yeah, the kids vegetating in front of the television. Come on, get out and go and do something. Yeah. So to vegetate, to spend your life or spend your time not doing anything. Yeah, no mental or physical activity, not making any effort. So to vegetate, well, it's not a very good thing, but sometimes when you're tired, vegetating can be quite a nice thing to do. Yeah, a passive existence, not stretching your mind. So watching some mindless soap opera is a good way to vegetate. Yeah, literally, you're like a plant growing, and plants just slowly grow without any without seeming to do anything. Yeah, so if somebody's vegetating, they spend their time doing something maybe a bit boring, but something that's worthless. Yeah, to loaf about, to idle. Yeah, to just not do anything. Yeah, he spent the winter vegetating in his room. Okay, so to vegetate, to stagnate, to loaf, to languish, yeah, to go to seed. You can even use a phrasal verb, to veg out. Yeah, he spends his life vegged out playing video games. Yeah, so to vegetate, yeah, to effectively do nothing, busy doing nothing. So when you want to vegetate, what do? Well, you probably just slump on the sofa, take your shoes off, lie down, and put something mindless on the TV. It's funny that vegetate, I keep connecting it with the word watching the TV, vegetating in front of the TV. Yeah, but I think that's probably quite a good thing, quite a good example. Not vegetating's not necessarily a good thing. Okay, as to formality, I would say vegetate like this. This is slightly informal. I'm going to give it a 4 informality. Use it informally, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, but don't use it in a very formal framework. And then as to origin, to vegetate comes from Latin. Vegeto, I enliven, I arouse. So enlivened, aroused, well, it's absolutely the opposite, isn't it? But well, that's how vocabulary goes. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Vegetate.